Today is day 17 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to receive said trophy, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, edit the video, and upload it daily here at Cosine Additive. Today we have a bust, the T-800 from Terminator, and without further ado, let's just hop into today's video. And here we have it, the T-800 bust. As you guys can see, the filament did run out, so I ran into my first issue there, and learning and understanding how to change that. And with the Ender 3 V2, you actually can pause it and it will pick back up. Now you have to do it quickly. So basically you don't want to mess up your print. Just have it ready, your filament ready on hand if you guys happen to have one of those. But the detail came out very, very well. No support at all. And if you guys would like to see this painted and done, can we get this video to 35 likes? That so far is my favorite detailed print when it comes to what I've done this month. But you guys let me know, from all the videos we've done so far, which one has been your favorite print. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment as well as what you guys think tomorrow's print will be. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel.